Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. I'll do this with the help of the decibel meter, and now I'll set here the maximum mode. The maximum mode means that when the decibel meter will reach the highest volume of our speakers, then the value here on the display will change. So let's start. So as can you see, our Samsung Galaxy S22 reached 108.3 decibels. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.